practice. You join us live here in the Adrian Flux Arena. Now just going out for practice is Nikki, Greg and Chris Holder. A good selection of world champions there. Now coming back in from practice is Matty, Freddie and Martin Vashalik. It is absolutely all go here. It's a very, very busy practice. So as you just saw, Nikki out, Chris out and Greg Hancock. Well, Greg Hancock been here for all 18 of our British Speedway Grand Prix. Now I'm just checking that we're clear because we are going to walk down into the pit. So obviously the track over there, it's a tight technical track that's going to suit the likes of Freddie. So it is certainly going to be an exciting race day tomorrow. Well, as I'm sure you know, if you've been keeping up to date with Speedway, after Housewick last weekend, 2 weekends ago, sorry, Ty sits 11 points above Freddie. Is it a two-man race? Well, we'll certainly see after today and tomorrow what the form is like of the riders. Well, Magic, after last weekend, managed to push himself back into the championship table and perhaps in medal contention. We are exactly halfway through the season now, 5 rounds in, and certainly a lot has happened. Okay, we're just having a look now as well because Artem's been flying. So Artem's actually had a very, very good start to the season. So Artem's going out, as well as Shemek Pavlicki and Craig Cook. Now Craig, of course, was our wild card last year. This year earned his rightful place in the Speedway Grand Prix Series. But our wild card this year, of course, is Robert Lambert. So just having a look at Craig. Craig didn't have the best of rounds in Housewick, but certainly proved he's still got form in one of the heats where he was absolutely flying. So he could very much be in the whole championship to play for at some point this season. Okay, so let's head down the pits. You'll probably see there's a lot of cameras everywhere. There is a lot going on. And, well, here's Shemek. He's heading out in just a second. Hi, Shemek, how you doing?
I go.
He goes, what he means is he's going out to practice. Now, this is Ty's little pit bay there. Alongside him is Magic Janowski. So Magic, of course, won last time. Now, maybe we'll head in. We'll just head in and see Bartos quickly. So Magic won last year and also last round. Bartos just runs away from me. We'll leave Bartos. Bartos just runs away from me all the time. We'll leave him. Okay, now we've got Emil as well. Maybe let me just have a look because they are all talking to their mechanics. Emil is not out for a while, so maybe we can just check. Just quickly, Emil, how are you doing?
Thank you, good.
Yeah, how was practice?
Good, good. Just find some good speed.
Okay, we'll leave you to it because I know you're talking to your mechanics, so we'll leave you to it. Now, practice is obviously a time where everybody's getting used to their bikes, getting used to the track and working out what changes that they need to make. Now, we'll just stick with Matty for a little minute, have a look at what he is doing. This is what happens after practice. They just have a chat with their mechanics. Just try and work out exactly what changes they want to make to their bike. We'll stick with him for just a second because we'll grab a word with him in a minute or two. So we'll just put the mic in. We're just going to stick the mic in. Matty, how are you doing?
Oh, we're having deep conversational chats. You know, we're going back to Stockholm last year with similar track. So I just asking the boys about set of what we've done, the changes, but we gotta dig a bit in the memory, you know, to get it. But you know, obviously track is very nice here. It's got a lot of dirt on it, which is good. So fast bikes, fast head, and we'll be good.
All right, we'll leave you to it. Thanks, Matty.
No worries, bye.
Okay, well, Matty just saying that he's going to change his setup. Well, we're just literally invading everyone's space at the moment. So we'll head into Martin's pit bay. I think he might be grabbing a hat. Yeah, your hair was looking a bit messy there, Martin. How you doing?
It's all right, thank you very much. Track is okay, so track very nice, so looking forward for tomorrow.
Now, Matty just said there's a lot of dirt out on the track. How are you finding it?
Yeah, it's actually pretty much dirt on the track right now, but I hope after practice, you know, after many laps, track will be a little bit more smooth. The material will be a little bit more consistent together. So yeah, I think tomorrow will be a nice track. I hope so.
And you're feeling good?
Yes, I'm feeling good, you know, but I still, you know, miss many meetings, so that's why I need a little bit come to my best shape. And other riders is It's on the top of the shape on the track right now. But I just take it easy, try my best. If I make a start, it's good. If I don't make a start, I try something. But next in the season come more easy track for riding. So then I will push 300%.
Okay, Martin, thank you. Going to head back out here and down the pit bays just so you can see a bit of action. Now we're just walked past. Chris just come back from practice. So Chris in there with his brother. His brother seems to be with him at every round, so that's his team. Now Greg, we said earlier, Greg just having a quick word with Nicky there. Perhaps talking about bike setup, who knows, 2 world champions there sharing a wealth of information. Greg very much back in form, and Greg of course ridden in all 18 of our British Speedway Grand Prix. Okay, well I've got to leave it there because I've got to head over and do our TV interviews, but make sure you keep up to date with everything that happens across all of the weekend and across all of our social media. It's Speedway GP for that.